Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile ubegxile kakhulu kubantu abasha ebakhuthaza ngokuthi basebenzise amathuba okuba sezinhlakeni zobuholi kuyona yonke imikhakha abangangena kuyo. Le nkulumo kaMashatile yenzeke esikhathini lapho uphiko lwentsha ye-ANC lusadonsa khona kanzima ngokuthi likhethe ubuholi balo obuzongena ehhovisi.
This book will definitely inspire them because even Maile didn't start as a leader. He got involved, and that's how he became a leader. So basically the book is a call to young people to rise, to become active in their communities. There's a lot of work that needs to be done in all our communities in different sectors.
Maile wangena ebalazweni lezombusazwe esemncane ngokweminyaka yakhe. Wake waba umengameli wophiko lobafundi iCOSAS kusukela ngo-1996 kuya onyakeni u-2000.
It is very important that young people learn from the previous generations who were courageous, who were determined, were very organized, were highly active, very knowledgeable because they read a lot. And that's what we are trying to instill and inculcate with this book.
Imali ezoqoqwa ngokuthengwa kwalencwadi izosetshenziselwa ukuthuthukisa izikole eNingizimu Afrika.